Hey everyone, Ryan Locke here. I'm a lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. Right now I'm enjoying some delicious tea, waiting for my kids to get off the school bus. And I'm also planning a deposition for tomorrow, planning the questions I'm going to ask. So I thought I'd pop on and give one of my favorite deposition tips for when you are interviewing um, fact witnesses, non-expert witnesses, although this works for experts too. The normal deposition question outline begins with a lot of easy questions that are mostly biographical. Tell me your name. How old are you? Where were you born? What are all the schools you went to? What have all your jobs been? Who's everyone you know? What's your shoe size? All this nonsense. The witness has probably been coached to expect that. And so when you do that, it signals to the witness that nothing surprising is going to be happening. My lawyer has adequately prepared me because what's happening is what he or she told me is going to happen. And all these questions are easy. The witness knows the answer. I mean, what's your address? What's your social security number? What's your birthday? The witness is feeling good that he or she is getting these questions right and is becoming more comfortable with the process. The witness is probably the most uncomfortable in that deposition for maybe the first, I don't know, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And then once they kind of get into the swing of things, they become more comfortable and more willing to fight with you about your questions or not give you what you want. So here's the tip. Instead of saving your best questions for the middle or the end, put it right up front. Think about, what is the most useful thing I need from this witness? Or what do I most want to know, most want to lock down? Or what is the thing that's most in dispute? And ask that first. Don't even make it like that paper chase scene where the professor, whatever his name was, um, Kirchfield, maybe? Kirchfeld? Um, make it like that. Everyone had a class like this one all year where the professor doesn't even introduce himself. He just walks in and then he says, Mr. Locke, tell me, what was the consideration in the case for today? Do the same thing to this witness to psych him out. Walk in, sit down. Hi, I'm Ryan Locke. So tell me, why did you say that your car was not operational when it worked just fine? See what they say. They're not going to expect that. The other fun thing about using a technique like this is it gives you a fun surprise shot. But so one of the pieces of advice I got at the AAJ deposition college was, we get 7 hours for a deposition. I hope you don't take that long, but we get pretty much as much time as we need for a deposition. And we need the record to look good for maybe a half a page or a page of it. So you can try some things, and if there are swings and misses, well, you can still make a pretty good record for yourself to lock that witness's testimony in, and you just need, you can still have that good section for use at trial, for use in impeachment, for use in your summary judgment motions. But if you hit a home run with that question, if you ask a question, the witness doesn't expect it and gives you uh, a more truthful answer than maybe he or she was supposed to give you, well, that can really pay dividends in your case. Anyway, hope this helped you. If you liked this stuff, like the video, subscribe if you can. Otherwise, just kind of keep a lookout. I really appreciate people watching and commenting. Thanks.